I'm Corey, and today we're going to be doing a highly requested video, and we're going to be doing Somewhere Over the Rainbow. First thing you want to make sure to do is have your ukulele in tuned. That's going to be a G on the 4th string, a C on the 3rd string, an E on the 2nd string, and an A on the 1st string. The chords we're going to be using for this song are a C, an E minor, an F, an A minor, a D minor, and a G. Let's try the first verse. 1, 2, here we go. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I heard of once in a The next part of the song is the bridge. We're going to play it just on the chord changes. The progression we'll use is C, F, A minor, C, F, A minor, D minor, and G. 1, 2, here we go. Someday I'll wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where troubles melt like lemon drops away upon the chimney tops. That's where you'll find me. And then we'll go right back into the verse. 1, 2, here we go. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, birds fly over the rainbow. Why then, why can't I? We're gonna go back into that bridge section, so we'll play again on just the chord changes. 1, 2, here we go. Someday I'll wish upon a star and wake up where the clouds are far behind me, where troubles melt like lemon drops up way above the chimney tops. That's where you'll find me. Now the last chorus. 1, 2, here we go. Somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, birds fly over the rainbow. Why then, why can't I? If happy little bluebirds fly beyond the rainbow, why, oh why can't I? And that's the whole song. I hope you found this tutorial for Somewhere Over the Rainbow, the Wizard of Oz version, helpful in learning how to play the song. If you would like me to make a tutorial for the other version, make sure to comment below. That's one that's typically mashed up with What a Wonderful World. So if you would like that, make sure you comment below and make sure to subscribe. I'll be posting new tutorials every single day for the month of July. Thanks. Bye.